Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make text behind person on CapCut PC. So you can drag the video that you want to edit and add the text like this, and then you can click the export button here, and after that you can import the video that's created, and I have been add here. So after that you can delete the text, and you can add the video that's created here and make this clip as an overlay. Just move up like this, and then you can click cut out and auto cut out like this. So here we go. So that's how to make text behind person edit tutorial on CapCut PC. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate and assure thanks.